So now let us discuss exercise 1.1. So question number 1, which of the following are sets justify your answer? So the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So that is the first question. So it is a well-defined collection because one can clearly identify a month that belongs to this collection J for January, June, July. So you can easily, there are only 12 months, so you can easily identify the month starting with J. So it's a well-defined collection of sets. So this is a collection, of a set, well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. So it's a set. And the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So there is no definite scale to say that most talented. What do you mean by most talented? So there is no scale here. You cannot consider a person they are talented, okay, but you cannot compare a person with other person who is talented, who is untalented. You have to say some scale. So it's not well defined, because the criteria for determining a writer's talent vary from person to person. So this is not a set. And third one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Once again, it is not well defined because criteria for determining a batsman's talent may vary from person to person. So the best batsman, you can't collect who is better and who is the best. So you have to say some criteria like how many runs he has scored, the highest scored batsman. So something should be clearly defined, but this is vague. It's not well defined, so it's not a set. And fourth question, the collection of all boys in your class. It's well defined. In your class, you can say that there are only 10 boys or 12 boys or 14 boys. So it's a well defined collection. So it's a set. And the fifth one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So it's also a well-defined one because natural number starts from 1 and less than 100 ends at 99. So it's a well-defined collection of objects. So it is a set. And sixth one, a collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand. Once again, it's a well-defined collection because Munshi Premchand, you can easily find out the author and collect all the books what he has written. So that's a well-defined collection. So it's a set. And the collection of all even integers, it's also well-defined collection, all even integers. So even integers, you can say that plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, 2, 4, 6, etc. on the positive side, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6 on the left side. So these are all even integers. So though it's infinite, but it's a well-defined collection. So it's a set, and it's an infinite set. The eighth question, the collection of questions in this chapter. So in this chapter, the questions are well defined. So in the 1.1, exercise 1.1, you can say that how many questions are there, and 1.2, how many questions are there. So you can easily collect the questions of this chapter 1. So it's a well defined collection. So it's a collection of set. This collection is a set. And the collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Once again, it's not well defined. So the criteria of determining the dangerousness. So what is this dangerousness? So it's not well defined. So it can vary from one animal to another animal. So that was the criteria for defining a dangerousness is different. So you cannot clearly say that these are the dangerous animals and these are not dangerous animals. Okay, so this is not a set. And question number 2, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. This epsilon belongs to or not, it does not belong to in the blank spaces. So look at the set. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first example, 5-A. Then letter 5 is there, the element 5 is there in A, so it belongs to A. And 8 is not there in A, so 8 does not belong to 0. Once again, 0 is not there in set A, so it does not belong to 4 is there here, so 4 is an element of A, belongs to A. And 2 is also there, so 2 belongs to A. And 10 is not there, so 10 does not belong to A. And question number 3, write the following sets in roster form. So first question, x is an integer and x lying between -3 less than or equal to -3, which is less than 7. So integers, we have to write the set in roster form or tabular form. So write on all the elements, tabulate all the elements. So starting from -3 less than or equal to means 3 is also considered. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. till 7, because strictly less than 7. Only -3 is included. And second question, B, set of elements such that x is a natural number less than 6. So less than 6 natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So set is defined. So in roster form it can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And third question, x is a 2-digit number, natural number, such that the sum of its digit is 8. So you can write starting first digit is, if it is 1, then the second digit should be 1 plus 7, 8, so 17. And if it is 2, then 2 plus 6, 8, so 26. If it is first digit is 3, the second digit is 5, so 3 plus 5 is 8. If the first digit is 4, then second digit also 4, so 44. And if the first digit is 5, then the second digit is 3, because 5 plus 3, 8. And if first digit is 6, 6 plus 2, 8. If it is 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Because natural numbers, 0 is not included. 2-digit natural numbers. Oh, sorry. Natural number 80 is also a natural number, sorry. Yeah, the first digit is 8, then 80. 8 plus 0, 80. That's also a natural number less than 2-digit natural numbers. Okay, 2-digit, right? Less than 99. Fine. So when you collect all these elements in the roster form, you write 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. And fourth question, x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So you write down, divide it, 60 divided by 2 gives 30, divide by 2 15, divisible by 3, the remainder is 5. So collect all the factors here, 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, so that is 60. So in that factors, you collect the prime numbers. So the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. 2 occurs 2 times, write only once. Therefore the set of prime numbers which are divisible, which are divisors of 60 are 2, 3, 5. And fifth question, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. There are 12 letters in the word trigonometry, out of which T, R and O are repeated. T comes 2 times and R also comes 2 times and O also repeats 2 times. So you can write all those letters only once and write down the remaining letters. So you get T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. So these are the elements of the set of the letters of the letter trigonometry, or the word trigonometry. Then next question, the set of all letters in the word better. There are 6 letters in better, that E and T repeats 2 times. So if your repeating letters are there, you write only once. Therefore the set of elements of F are B, E, T, R. And question number 4. So far it is given set builder form, and we have written roster form or the tabular form. Next question is, write the following in the set builder form. So given in tabular form, you have to write it in set builder form. So the first question is 3, 6, 9, 12. So you can put it this way, that is x equal to 3n, where n varies from, n is a natural number and varies from 1 to 4. So if you take n equal to 1, 3 times 1 is 3, n equal to 2, 3 times 2 is 6, n equal to 3, 3 times 3 is 9, n equal to 4, 3 times 4 is 12. So this is a in set builder form. And second question, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So you observe that 2 is 2 power 1, 4 is 2 square, 8 is 2 cube, 16 is 2 power 4, and 32 is 2 power 5. So in set builder form, it can be written as the set of elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 can be written as set of x such that x equal to 2 power n, where n varies from 1 to 5. And the next one is next question is set of elements 5, 25, 125, 625. So again we see, you observe that 5 equal to 5 power 1, 25 is 5 square, 125 is 5 cube, and 625 is 5 to the power 4. Therefore that can be put in set builder form as set of x such that x equal to 5 to the power n, where n is a natural number and varies from 1 to 4. And 2, 4, 6, etc. So that is obviously it is even natural numbers, or you can say positive even integers. So you can say it's better even natural numbers. So even natural numbers, it goes 2, 4, 6, or even positive integers. So or positive even integers 2, 4, 6, etc. And the next question is 1, 4, 9, etc. 100. So when you observe 1 is 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 100 is 10 square. So it's all the it's all the squares of natural numbers, varies from 1 to 10. So x equal to set of all x such that x equal to n square, where n is a natural number and varies from 1 to 10. And list all the elements of the following sets. So it is given set builder form, you have to write in roster form or the tabular form. So x is an odd natural number. So odd natural number is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. So that's the set. And B, second question, set B is x is an integer such that x lies between negative 1 over 2 and 9 over 2. So you have to take all the integers. So it's the integer which is greater than negative 1 over 2, the number line. So this is negative 1 over 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is 9 over 2, 5. So when you consider the integers, this is starting from 0 until 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the elements of the set B, which is written in roster form or the table form. So next question is, see x is an integer such that x square is less than or equal to 4. So you take it in 0, 0 square is less than 4, 0 is less than 4, and you take plus or minus 1. when you square it, still it is 1, 1 is less than 4, and plus or minus 2, that is 2 squared 4, 4 is less than or equal to 4. So these are the possible values, that is -2, -1, 0 and 1 and 2. So these are the set of elements of C. And D, X is a letter in the word loyal, so you can write L, O, Y, A. L repeats 2 times, so already written L, so only once you write L, that's enough. Then next question, set E is X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So you can list out the months of the year which are not having 31 days. So February, April, June, September and November. So these are the set of elements which satisfy this condition, that is the month of a year which not having 31 days. And F is X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. So you can write A, B, C, D until K. Then you write down all the letters excluding the alphabets. So you get, the consonants which are not vowels, excluding the vowels. Okay. So you can say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So these are the elements. In that, A is a vowel, E is a vowel, I is a vowel. So you cancel all those things, you get B, C, D, F, G and J. So these are the letters of the English alphabets which precedes K and which are consonants. Then the last question. So match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right side described in the set builder form. So you can say the first one is 1, left side is 1, 2, 3, 6. And second question is, second one is 2, 3, third one is MAT, letters of the word mathematics, MATHEICS, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. On the right side, X is a prime number, divisor of 6, and an odd natural number less than 10, a natural number and divisor of 6, and the letters of the word mathematics. So all the elements of this set are natural numbers as well as divisors of 6. You take 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, all are divisors of 6 and are natural numbers. So it matches with C. So 1 matches with C. And 2, it can be seen that 2 and 3 are prime numbers. They are also divisors of 6. Therefore 2 matches with A. X is a prime number and divisors of 6. So 2 and 3. And then third one, obviously the letters of the word mathematics. So 3 matches with D. And the fourth one, these are odd numbers less than 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd natural numbers which are less than 10. That is 4 and B. So 4 matches with B. Okay, that completes the answer for this exercise.